I've had a couple of graphics designed for me, which weren't that easy to fit, but that's the rear one, and that's the front. The wording Carina, or the font I should say, is what Toyota used in the sales brochure, and the E is the same E that is obviously badged on the car. But if we look over here whilst I'm at work, we have a 2018 Fiesta ST. Unregistered as yet. It has a larger wheel option and it has red brake calipers. And I must admit, even though it's a 3-cylinder, it's a very nice car. Nice bit of width and a little bit of rake. It's very nice. Another part of my job is moving all the sales cars we have. Obviously this one, which is a Suzuki Swift. It's quite nice actually. So, one of the first jobs of my day is to move the sales cars. This is a Ford Ka, which has done 24,000 miles. That was almost out of fuel. 24,000 miles, hey? Not my thing at all, but still, a lovely little car for somebody. Next on the list is this B-Max Titanium. It's only a 1 litre, putting out 125 PS, or something, yeah. Not really my thing, but a very comfortable car. Here we go, this is my next sticker to go on the roof. I've got one more to follow this. But yeah, this is part of the livery that the 1994 Toyota Carina carried in the British Touring Car Championship. This was situated in the middle of the roof at the very front. I've got a rather large Castrol logo to come, which will go at the back of the roof. But yeah, hopefully I shall be able to fit this over the weekend and send you some pictures.